This video is going to show you how to measure electric fields in a bedroom. So we have the ME3030B. You take the bottom switch, the power switch, and you move it all the way up to the top. This gives a sound, always a good thing to do. And then up here there's an M and an E. We're on electric field, so you move this switch up to E. So we're going to just check a normal area. As you can see, it should be 1 to 3 in a bedroom, and we're up to about 160, 150. So as you can see, 140. It's very high here. So what you do is you start to either move these items across the room, don't have them right next where you sleep, or start to unplug them if they have to remain on here. That will reduce the electric fields. So we're going to sweep through the room just to sort of get an idea. Here we have a power strip. It's up very high. It's up about 70 or 80, but as you pull back, you can see it drops rapidly. So what we'll be doing is we're mainly interested where people are sleeping. So we come through here next to the TV. It's again high, but as you pull away, you can see it starts to drop. And here's some dimmer switches. Dimmer switches are always an issue. So again, that's 70 or 80. When you have a dimmer switch and you're not using it, you always want it all the way